This week's real estate market is calm and steady and entering a new summer phase. Interest rates hold at around 7% with no significant changes, so let's see the inventory and sales activity. We have another small increase in listings, up 3% from last month and nearly 9% year over year. That puts total active supply at its highest point in quite some time, above 2023-24 levels, but still below 21 and 22. Most likely this is our seasonal inventory peak, when June historically marks the end of the active spring listing cycle before slowing down into summer. Contracts activity remains steady and over the past 30 days are up almost 9% month over month and almost 6% higher than this time last year. On a weekly basis, new listings starting to dip, down 2.5% from last week, confirming we're entering this slower summer phase, which historically expected to continue until Labor Day. For market balance overall, even with this healthy activity, we're still little below the neutral line on the market pulse index, so we're still in the buyer-leaning market, especially with more available inventory. Rental prices stayed at record highs, and even though inventory jumped almost 40% compared to last year, competition remains fierce. Landlords still receive multiple applications, and 1 in 3 renters pays above asking price. Don't forget, starting June 11, tenant pays broker's fee only if that tenant hired broker to find an apartment. See my dedicated video for more details. Bottom line this week, Brooklyn sales market is transitioning, and spring's momentum is almost behind us. Buyers are gaining ground as inventory peaks and deals activity stays flat. For sellers, that means price positioning is crucial. There's more competition and buyers know it. For buyers, this is your chance to negotiate better deals and find the one property you've been looking for. Please note that this is a general Brooklyn trend. Every neighborhood has its own microclimate, so reach out to your local agent for a strategy tailored to your property. I will see you next week with the next Brooklyn real estate market update. Thank you.